I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a specific line of text on Safari on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first, let's open Safari. And let's say we're looking for an article, and we know they said something, and we wanted to read more about that. So let's say this article says they were terribly sorry, and I wanted to find that within the article to hear more specifically about that. First, we're going to click the share button on the bottom, and then we'll scroll down, and then we'll tap find on page. Here, we're going to type in whatever we want to look for. So I'm going to look for sorry. There we go. It's showing me first instance, and then you can use the arrows on the right to go down to the next section where it has that particular word. If you like to go to the previous one, you just click the up arrow. If you'd like to go to the next one, you click the down arrow. When you're ready, you can click search, and then it will just show you the areas of the article that have that, and then you can read from that point on. Now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.